Hi guys. So, if you're wondering where I am right now, I'm in this blue thing and I don't know what it's called actually. Okay. I'm literally, it's like flying and then I'm like boink, 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 boink. Boink. Okay, sorry for that. Yeet, I fall. Rest in peace. And if you guys hear that, that's my sister. Okay. Yeah, that's my sister. Okay, I'm trying to get to instinct. I fall. Oops. Wait, guys, I'm just gonna close the door. You can talk to my sister.
Hi everyone, welcome to my sister's video.
Okay, I'm back, guys. That was pretty fast. And by the way, this was a retake. This was this video right here on this Roblox video. We're just voice recording, but we're not actually playing it right now. This is just a video of me playing, and we're just pretending that we're playing the game. Okay? I'm trying to get on this. Okay, there. I farted. Oh my god, my sister farted, guys! Oh my god! She actually didn't. It's like when every time I press that, it just rolls over. Ha 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 ha. Ooh, ooh. Boink, 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 boink. Okay, okay, guys, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.